Ever wondered how many people trust a company enough to literally launch their dreams into the digital stratosphere? I'm talking about Spaceship, the platform that's been making waves in the investment world, especially here in Australia. But the burning question, the one that probably brought you here, is just how many customers are we talking about? It's a question that gets thrown around a lot. We see the slick ads, the user-friendly interface, the talk of ETFs and diversified portfolios. But behind all that, how many people are actually clicking invest? To really understand the scale, we need to delve a bit deeper than just a simple number. Spaceship, for those unfamiliar, positions itself as a tech-driven investment platform aimed at simplifying investing for younger generations. They've built a reputation for accessibility, particularly with their focus on growth-oriented portfolios and easy-to-understand language. In a market saturated with complex financial jargon and intimidating platforms, Spaceship stands out for its simplicity. Now, pinning down the exact, real-time customer count for a private company like Spaceship can be tricky. They don't always publicly release those figures with granular detail. However, we can look at some key indicators to gauge their growth and popularity. Firstly, their assets under management, AUM, give us a strong clue. AUM is essentially the total market value of the investments that Spaceship manages on behalf of its customers. While not a direct customer count, a growing AUM suggests an expanding customer base and increased trust in the platform. Publicly released data and reporting from financial news outlets show Spaceship's AUM has been steadily climbing. This indicates significant growth and adoption. Secondly, we can analyze their App Store rankings and download numbers. This provides a snapshot of their popularity and reach. Consistently high rankings and positive reviews suggest a large and engaged user base. While download numbers don't equate to active, funded accounts, they do show the level of initial interest and adoption. Thirdly, look at their marketing and partnerships. Spaceship has been very active in building brand awareness through digital marketing, social media campaigns, and partnerships with various influencers and organizations. This kind of aggressive outreach wouldn't be sustainable without a growing customer base to justify the investment. And of course, we can consider the broader trend of increased retail investor participation in the market. Platforms like Spaceship have benefited from the democratization of investing, making it more accessible to a wider audience. The pandemic, in particular, saw a surge in interest in online investment platforms, and Spaceship capitalized on this. So, while a precise, up-to-the-minute customer count might be elusive, it's clear that Spaceship has experienced significant growth and has a large, engaged user base. The rising AUM, App Store popularity, and active marketing all point to a platform that is successfully attracting and retaining customers. They've tapped into a market hungry for accessible investment options, and their focus on simplicity and growth has resonated with a younger demographic. Ultimately, the exact number isn't as important as the trend. The trend is upward, and that says a lot about the company's success and the growing appetite for accessible investment platforms. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.